your Crime Watch now. In the case of a man charged with a murder on the University of Arizona campus, a group at the county attorney's office will consider the best way to prosecute the case. KGUN 9's Craig Smith was at Superior Court for today's hearing on Ryan Romero Encinas.
The murder case against a young man charged with killing another young man on the U of A campus is going to push into next year. But before the next hearing on this case, there will be a meeting of a very important committee. Two lives came together on these volleyball courts near some University of Arizona dorms. Minhaj Jamshidi's life ended. Ryan Romero Encinas' life turned towards jail to wait for his murder trial. Neither man had ties to the U of A. Jamshidi was an Afghan refugee studying at Pima Community College. Witnesses say on September 22nd, Encinas was at the volleyball court when a fight broke out with Jamshidi. Investigators say Encinas pulled a gun, shot Jamshidi, and ran away. First responders tried to save his life but could not. An autopsy says he was shot in the head, stomach, and back. The most recent hearing was just a short session in front of Judge Howard Fell. He ordered that Encinas not be on camera. Judge Fell set a pretrial conference for January 17th. Before the next hearing in this case, there's going to be a meeting of a very important committee over at the Pima County Attorney's Office. It's usually just called the panel, and it's referred to a case being paneled. What happens is this is a committee of very experienced attorneys, and they discuss the ins and outs of various homicide cases and decide the best way to go forward. And perhaps in some cases they may decide that it would be appropriate to offer a plea bargain where someone could plead to a lesser charge. But taking a case to the panel does not automatically suggest a plea is in the works. It's prosecutors conferring to decide the best strategy for a case. At Pima Superior Court, Craig Smith, KGUN 9.